This small subrange of the Himalayas is objectively the most impressive mountain range on Earth, and it isn't even close. But first, comment below what you'd like to see tomorrow for day 8 of Mountain Month. This is the Annapurna Massif, a compact mountain range that runs 34 miles east to west in north-central Nepal, and it's hard to overstate just how impressive it is. Think of any possible criteria you could use to determine how impressive a mountain range is, and Annapurna exceeds it. Elevation, well, the Annapurna Massif crams in one 8,000 meter peak, 13 7,000 meter peaks, and an additional 16 6,000 meter peaks, despite its small size. The highest point in the range, Annapurna 1, is actually the 10th highest mountain in the entire world, with an elevation of 26,545 feet. But as we know, elevation isn't everything. So what about relief? No problem there either, as the Annapurna Massif has some of the most insane vertical relief you'll find anywhere on the planet. The highest peaks in the range tower more than 20,000 feet above the Pokhara Valley, which sits just 20 miles to the south. And more impressive still is the fact that the summit of Annapurna 1 rises more than 18,000 feet over the river gorge below in a horizontal distance of less than 10 miles. Now, you could disregard these metrics and say that in order for a mountain range to be impressive, it needs to be difficult to climb. But Annapurna would meet that criteria as well. Annapurna 1 is widely regarded as one of the most difficult climbs on Earth, and until recently, it actually had the highest depth-to-summit ratio of any 8,000 meter peak. But where Annapurna makes the most compelling case for being considered the most impressive mountain range on Earth is with its jut. Jut is probably the best metric we have for quantifying how impressive a mountain looks, as it considers both how high and how steep a mountain rises above its surroundings. And no mountain range on Earth has more peaks with more jut than Annapurna. Incredibly, of the 10 mountains on the planet with the most jut, 5 of them are located in the Annapurna Massif, including the peak with the most jut in the world, Annapurna Phang. And finally, speaking as someone who has seen Annapurna in person, I can confidently say that it also passes the eye test. Put this all together, and I find it very difficult to argue that Annapurna isn't the most impressive mountain range in the world. So if you'd like to see it for yourself, then undoubtedly the best way to do so is to hike the Annapurna Circuit, which is a trek that circumnavigates the entire Massif. The Annapurna Circuit is one of the best treks on the planet, and it should be near the top of every hiker's bucket list. Comment below if you agree that Annapurna is the most impressive mountain range on the planet, and let me know what you'd like to see tomorrow for day 8 of Mountain Month.